What's going on, guys? Anders Larsson here. In this video I'm going to do a video review of a landing page generator called Unicorn Platform. And after that I'm going to talk a little bit about the problem with creating video reviews of web services as a way to drive traffic to an online business and make money from it. So if you've been watching a couple of my videos and you feel inspired to model my way of doing things, then you need to pay close attention because what I'm going to tell you is going to be very important. Alright, let's dive into Unicorn Platform and see what it is all about. I'm going to focus on the free package, and custom code allows me to add my own HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I want to know if they really mean it, as in adding whatever HTML or JavaScript that I desire. Only 10 blog posts allowed, so I'm not going to use a blog feature. So let's sign up. Super simple. Name, email, password. So basically when you sign up, you only have to verify your email and then you are good to go. And now you're presented with an option to create a new website. And remember, you could only have one website. So let's create a new subdomain and I call it videos. If it is available, I don't know, and it is. Awesome. Press the gear symbol to change the domain or do additional settings. Here you can upload a fav icon, and this is basically a small icon that you typically see in a tab. Social network image, not sure about that one. Custom code. And here you can add various tracking codes. I'm going to add this one just as a test and save. Colors and fonts. So I think this is where you override the default style and colors. We can see if robots.txt is active, and this is going to be very important because you do want robots like Google and Bing to index your content. I think that if you skip the robots.txt, Google will index anyway as default. So you need to check if they have robots.txt already created for you and see what it contains. And it should look like this. Export HTML is for the paid plan, so it is locked. Let's edit pages. We have a home page and about us. And for the purpose of making this video short, I'm going to delete the about us page. Yes. Let's click edit page, and then you can add a component. What I do want to verify is that I can link to an external site, because I want to link to my YouTube videos. So let's add some basic text. Now you can't edit this page directly. You first need to enter edit mode. So you click edit component, and basically you can edit the component by typing in the input fields. You can change button style and you will get a selection of different styles that you can apply. So the question is, if I want to link to an external site, can I just use a normal link? Collapse this window, still need to save changes. So basically I close this and then click save. I have saved the website, but I have not published it. So in order to do that, I need to scroll up and then click publish page. So I tested open my page and it is working fine. And then I went back, and this time I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. So open page, and it displays a JavaScript alert window. And this is what I showed you in the beginning when I added custom JavaScript code in the header. Now the moment of truth, if I click this, will I be redirected to Google? And yes, it works. This is awesome. Now the question is, can I copy paste the formatting of any text? So let's say I copy this and then paste it here. Yes, this is awesome. This basically means that you can copy a bunch of images and it will copy the HTML these images is embedded in. It will not work if Pixabay, for example, wouldn't allow hot linking, but I know that they allow hot linking, so here I have all the images. Collapse and save, and if we scroll down we can see all the images here. Edit navigation, I can add my own logo and change the height, so basically it changes both the width and height. We have call to action buttons, so let's say I don't want to have a header with call to action buttons, and all I did was just delete the components, and it says features. Alright, I need to delete this one too, and now it is clean. So let's save changes. The question is, it doesn't say publish, so does it mean that it publish automatically when I save it? Let's click open page, and what's up? I'm going to remove that later on, but it seems that it publish the changes automatically. Now the question is, how do I add components above this component? I can insert a page component below this component. Text. So in order to do that, notice the arrow up button here. So all I have to do is move the block up. Notice that you actually can insert a page above the first component we did, but not above the top component. Now I wonder what they mean by the blog feature. Alright, I found the blog posts, and you click edit pages, you go to the main page and then edit pages, and then you see blog posts here. So I'm not gonna use that one, and let's remove the custom code that we did. So notice that we are on a page level and not website level. So on a page level you can add a script on a specific page, in this case home page, and now you click the gear and then custom code, and I will remove my stupid test code here, and don't forget to click the save button. So I have cleaned everything, and let's test the landing page capability, because if you have a landing page, then the most important thing is the form where you capture all your leads. So let's say I choose this one, and now I wonder, what can I really change? Title, subtitle. So let's say I only choose to type email, keep it short, and then subscribe, and that will be this button. Info is for, I think it is when you hover the mouse over the button, it will display hello world in this case. Now let's see integration. The most important mail service integration for capturing leads is Aweber and GetResponse. Those are the most popular services you can find. So let's see what type of services they offer. They have MailChimp, and I recommend not signing up to MailChimp because, well, when I tried to subscribe to their paid plan, they wouldn't allow me to sign up to that service. I'm not sure if it was because I used a Swedish IP address, or they detected something with my domain that wasn't set up in the way they needed it to be. You can connect to Airtable, and this is an online database, and if you are a bit more technical, then go ahead and use Airtable. I think that is a really cool service. If you are not that technical, you can add an email that you will use as a way to capture all the leads that you get. So it is almost perfect, except that they don't support Aweber or GetResponse. This is what most online marketers use. And then after submission, you can add, for example, a thank you page. So you get redirected to another page where you can display a video. You can check my sales funnel, and you see what I mean. I guess you can add payment services like PayPal, but if I want PayPal, I need to pick one of the paid plans to do that. But it is nice of them to allow me to set up Stripe. So of all the landing page generators that I have created video reviews of, I think this is absolutely the best one that you can use for your business. The reason I think this is the best one is because you can use custom HTML. So, for example, if you use Aweber or GetResponse, they offer HTML code that you can use on your landing page or on this page. So you are really not limited to only these services, and that makes this landing page generator extremely useful. By the way, if you need some help with setting up your landing page, then leave a comment in the comment section below this video, or why not connect with me so that I can help you out. Alright, so this is the end of the video review, and as I promised, I will talk about why you shouldn't create video reviews for the sake of getting traffic and use that traffic to get leads and customers. So pay close attention to this, because this is important. Over the year I have struggled to get traffic, and I struggled with my videos. So what you see in front of you is a span of 365 days starting January, and in February I paid a couple of guys on Fiverr to grade my videos, and I did the same thing in April. So basically I asked people if they could watch my videos and see what they liked the most, and then add a score from 1 to 10, because when I created my video course I wanted to present the best videos to my subscribers of that video course. So that resulted in a couple of views. Then in the start of May, June and August I didn't do anything, and that happens to everyone. You kind of lose motivation, and basically what I did, I had to rethink what I actually was doing, because nothing felt like it worked. And can you really imagine how many online marketers are in the same situation as I am? So how long have I been doing this? Over 2 years. And I know what really is the problem. Basically there is a lot of competition, and it is pretty much impossible to get ranked for the keywords that really matters. So as an online marketer, what you really want is the make money online keywords, and the make money online niche is very competitive. So all the keywords are used by hundreds of online marketers. So would you really think that as someone new in the business that you would rank for any keyword that would actually give you visitors that are interested in your message, your videos, your content? So in September I figured, well, I need to really do something different. So I started to promote all these video reviews. And what many people forgets is that the domain name of these services are a keyword. So notice how I list the domain name as the first keyword in all the titles of the videos. And this tells YouTube that this is the most important part of what I want to share in the video. But do you know what the problem is? If you searched for a landing page generator and someone mentioned the Unicorn platform, so basically the problem is you are not looking for how to start an online business, but instead you are looking for a landing page generator. You might already have an online business and you are looking for a landing page. So then why would you sign up to my free video course and subscribe to the system that I'm using? You wouldn't probably do that. But instead, if I was typing how to start an online business in my title, then of course you would find me, because you are interested in how to start an online business. But that keyword is highly competitive, so you wouldn't see any of my videos on that keyword, no matter how hard I tried. However, what I noticed was that if I get external traffic to my YouTube channel, then this play a part in the YouTube algorithm. So when I did my Fiverr paid grading gigs, I noticed that a bunch of other videos started to get traffic. Videos that didn't have anything to do with the gradings. So what I really have to do is to promote my videos on these web services to get external traffic to my YouTube videos. There is also a chance that if my videos are really good and visitors inside YouTube give me a like or they subscribe, then this play as an important factor to give me a better ranking boost. I don't know. What do you think? I would be really happy to read your comment on this and see what you think. Anyway, this is the end of this video, and I really appreciate that you took your time to watch the entire video, or almost the entire video. But please do me a favor and smash that like button, because this really helps my YouTube channel. And also subscribe if you want to collect more awesome web services or watch more of my videos. Of course, the bell notification is there to let you get notified when I release new videos. So go ahead and click on it if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. So thank you for watching, take care, and I see you in my next video. Bye bye.